This is Mike Berg. I'm in front of the Panduit in-panel control panel at the Automation Fair 2011. I'm here to talk to you about a few of the solutions that we're showing in the in-panel display today. So let's start out and talk about safety. Visual ID is important in terms of flash safety and mitigating risk with our flash. Panduit has a variety of labeling systems that are available to assist in this application. Panduit also has available data ports, a connection device to allow you to connect to the PLC and also provide you power for connections as well without opening the enclosure doors. So now I'm going to step inside the enclosure. Panduit also has available a variety of space optimization products in our analytics offering. So these space optimization products range from our corner wiring duct, which ties together a back panel and a side panel, to our generail wiring duct, which is a unique product that uses enclosure depth to save the mounting space for the panel. And this can save up to 30% in your enclosure and provide you design flexibility and cost savings. Let's move now to talk a little bit about noise mitigation. So the convergence of electrical and networking within the panel kind of heightens this concern. So Panduit also has available a line of shielding products. We have a shielded barrier and a shielded wiring duct that both work to separate your wiring classes and provide shielding that's the equivalent of 6 inches of airspace, also providing you with that space savings. And finally, what you can see at the Panduit booth is, again in that networking area, our network patching ability and integrating in the networking layer into the panel itself. Panduit has some new products available with fiber